Hi everyone, my name is Ola and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to build and design a website using Replit and how to download the finished product as a zip file and deploy it onto Netlify. Thank you. So the first thing is you go to Replit, you sign up on Replit and put your name and also your surname, and then finish the onboarding process. We are going to make use of the free plan. I think with the free plan, you are able to create, I think, up to 6 apps. So the next thing is to give it a prompt, and I'll be creating a website for an AI consultancy business. Create footer and also header and also like create your section, and also Replit has a page on their website on how to give effective prompts. I'll be putting that link here in this video. um, Here then I'll click on start chat to start creating the website. So as you can see here, it returns an output of all the features it's going to add as part of the website creation. Um, Also, after it does that, it asks for feedback. Should it build the entire app or just start with a design? I'll click on building the entire app because I want to make most of my free plan. As you can see on the left panel, you can see it gives a list of what features is going to build out. Then also, as it's building, it starts giving prompts or feedback or the stage of what it is doing. You can see from here. Yeah, as you can see, it has finished with the website design. And as I'm scrolling down, I can see it added the footer and also the header. And I could also make some changes. I could make some changes to the website. I could go down, get a prompt, change the header. I could change the color. I could also go down there, click on the element. I could edit the element directly. But because of the free plan that we are using, it limits the amount of things we could do before we run out of it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to download the already published website as a zip file. Then the next thing to is unzip the file. After unzipping the file, then I'm going to open it with my IDE. Here I'll be using cursor to open the. So once I open the folder with my IDE, here I'm using cursor. The next thing to do is install some of the packages through npm. So I'm going to go open my terminal, install, run npm install. After that is done, it installs all the node packages that are needed for this application, for this website. Then after that, I'll now run npm run build. To simply put, npm run build is a command that is quite familiar to JavaScript developers. It's used to convert a project into executable code that can be run in the browser or Node.js. Upon success, then we are going to go to netlify.com to deploy our application onto the web. So the next thing is to sign up if you don't already have an account and complete the onboarding process. After you've completed the onboarding process, the next thing to do is to go to a project, create a new project, and from there you can upload the folder or project in which you want to deploy. So you go into the project itself. There's a folder called dist in the main directory. You enter into that main directory and you see a public file. This is the folder in which you want to upload to Netlify. Once you upload the file, Netlify starts generating the website. From after a few seconds, you can see a URL that you can click and to take you to the already deployed live version of the created website. Yeah, thank you very much. That brings me to the end of this video. Please, this is my first video and there are bound to be mistakes. I apologize for any mistakes or any flaws you might see in this video. Over time, I promise to improve my skills in video editing and creating content. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.